In this video, you will learn how to install your new Goodyear Assurance Hybrid Wiper Blade onto a hook-type wiper arm. Step 1. Locate the HN-type adapter that is pre-installed in the center of your wiper blade. It is 2.5 inches long and it tilts up and down. The cap is located on the upmost part of the HN-type adapter and it has the Goodyear logo stamped on it. Step 2. Place your index finger underneath the front end of the HN-type adapter's cap and pull up to open. Step 3. Ensure that the Goodyear cap is facing upwards away from the windshield. Line up the opening of the HN-type adapter with a hook on your wiper arm. Insert the hook into the opening, then pull up on the wiper blade as far as possible. Step 4. Close the Goodyear cap until it clicks into place. If you are not able to close the cap or do not hear a click, please recheck Step 3. Step 5. Remove the yellow squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website www.goodyearwiperblade.com.